now day 5, March 19, Friday, about 9 a.m. Day 3 and 4, we took a 0 days, 2 days. Yesterday was rain all day anyway, so it was perfect timing to take a 0. So now it's Friday morning and we're back on trail. We get a shuttle from our hotel in Waynesboro back to where we left off, which is mile 1049. That's where we stopped. So we're gonna try to hike about 13 miles today to Raven Rock Shelter. I got my new sleeping pad. REI sent it to the hotel that we were staying at. They're so good. Their service is really good. And I sent back my deflated sleeping bag to them. What else? Yeah, my pack feels a little heavier today because we resupplied. At the end of day 2, we ran out of fuel canister to cook. We got a lot of food, but not enough fuel to cook it. Such a rookie backpacker mistake. But we're learning a lot from hands-on experience. Okay, we're gonna enter Pennsylvania soon. We're back in Maryland. This is what it looked like today. There's gonna be an incline for a while, and then we're gonna descend. I'm so excited to hike again. I was so itching to hike yesterday, but it rained all day anyway. Okay, see you later. Oh my Lord. The first part is already inclined. When is this gonna end? Oh yay, somewhat flat surface. Enjoy it. So today is Friday. I left home last Friday, so I've been away from home for 1 week. And then now that I thought about it, I spent sleeping 5 nights outdoor. Being an indoor girl all my life, I didn't like to be outside. That's pretty impressive. I'm proud of myself. So on the way to Harper's Ferry, I camped three nights, and then the first 2 days of our hike, I slept in the shelter 2 nights, so that's a total of 5. Oh, good job, Christina. Bobo's waiting for me. He's like a herding dog. He's herding us. Make sure everyone is still on path, not lost. Make sure I don't become a lost sheep, I guess. After 2 days of rest, my legs feel brand new. They were so sore. Oh my gosh. They were so sore. But those 2 days rest is much needed. It's not inclined anymore for now. It's just walking through this woods and little rocks here and there, but not bad. Ben always walks 100 yards ahead of me because I'm always taking picture or video, and I have a shorter stride. So happy. I wonder what it's like being at home. I barely remember. All right, keep walking. Decline. We love decline. So we have been walking for an hour and a half, roughly, since maybe about 3 or 4 miles. The sun is out. So beautiful. I think the temperature about mid-40s. maybe low 40s. About 10 a.m. right now. Oh, nice. I'm sheep. Can you tell? I love hiking. Oh God. Bobo can just zoom through this like nothing. How can it be? A lot. If you're not careful, it's very easy to roll an ankle here. You managed to zoom through the rocks. They're so big. He's super puppy. He's running to bed now. Okay, wait for me. Go ahead. This is not very rocky though. This is on the way down, look like that. Mobu just ran through it like it's a neighborhood walk. Pretty. This white blaze. It means we're on the right track. We finally arrived at Ensign Cornwall Shelter. I'm gonna eat chicken fried rice. Bobo's eating Spam. Oh, thank you, Trail, for giving me a break from the rocks. Open field. We came from the woods. It's so easy to get warmed up. When we're sitting at the shelter, it was cold and windy, and then we put on all our winter gear, and then we start hiking, and it's we're sweating, especially when it goes uphill. Within 5 minutes, we're like, oh, summertime. It's beautiful out here. There's some town or village there, the road. Thanks to whoever put this on. Are you being naughty? Okay, this looks like Texas, isn't it? Hiking at the LBJ grassland. You have to walk on these stones. I hope I don't drop my phone. Go, Bubba. You go first. Good boy. Oh, Bubba.
You don't care.
This is fun. Balance, balance. Yeah, I got my feet wet. It's okay. We're almost there. Come on, Bubba, go on the stone. Uh-oh. Bubba, this way, Bubba, right here. Up here, buddy. Good boy. Wow, what a brave dog. I'm glad we didn't bring Archie. Bubba, up here. Bubba, up here. Right here. Bubba, up here.
Good boy.
Oh.
Good boy.
What a hiking dog. Good boy. Oh, it's so high. Oh, we just crossed that. That was fun. Okay, like less than a mile. I'm so proud of Bobo. He's so fearless. We cross river, we jump rocks, rock to rock. He sleeps wherever. He walks whenever. Oh, I almost fell. So we are less than 1 mile to the shelter, Raven Rock Shelter. That will conclude our walk today. For I think 12.4 miles. Not again. Oh. Go on, Bobo. So easy. I don't even know where to step. Where the hell is the... Oh my gosh. Where the hell is the trail? Okay. Last 0.9 miles before we arrive at the shelter. You can do it. When is this gonna end? Oh God. Oh. That's where we came from, that road down there. Almost there. When we stayed at a hotel for 2 days, I ate 6 Haagen-Dazs ice cream and pasta and salad. Bobo, help me. Oh, I'm dying. Let me step on this rock. What are you doing, boy? Yeah. Bobo, be careful. Oh. I think I'm losing weight still, no matter what I eat. We're still 0.7 miles. But look at this. Rocks. Okay. Another steep climb up that way between those two rocks, I think. So we arrived here at the Raven Rock Shelter. What time is it? Like 5? 4:46 p.m. I'm telling you, that was the hardest 1.5 miles steep climb, non-stop, carrying a 46-pound backpack. But now we have our own shelter. Let me flip this camera. benches to sit around. The privy is somewhere out there. Oh, back there. There. And then this is the shelter. Hopefully no one comes. It's nice to have a private room to ourselves. I can sleep up there. Ooh, broom, I can sweep. My favorite thing to do, sweeping. And tomorrow, we just came from the shelter. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to that one, Deer Lick. And every shelter has a book you can sign. You can sign to check in. Okay, we're gonna rest, filter water, cook dinner, feed Bobo, and then we'll get back with y'all. All right.